Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of semantic search. I'm going to show you how to create a powerful search tool using JavaScript, Langchain and OpenAI's embeddings. And the best part, it's easier than you might think. So if we are looking at our code, it's going to be very simple. We need to import .env config so for the configuration, and we will need a few things from Langchain for our vector store. And we're going to use a movie dataset that's a JSON file, which has some movies and some information such as the title, genre, and plot. And we're going to create a function that will create our vector store from documents, and I'm looping through the movies, and I'm creating a document with title, plot, and genre. And I'm going to use OpenAI embeddings. And I'm going to create here a search function that will take a query and will return by default one movie. So we're calling our create store, and we will perform a similarity search with the query and passing the count. And we're going to console log the search with companionship and see what movie it will bring. So demo time. If we run our code, we get one movie, The Shawshank Redemption. So you can see here there's no companionship word in the document, but it could understand the context and the meaning of the plot and return this movie. That's it. That's all you need to perform a semantic search with JavaScript. So I encourage you to try this, and with a different data set, tweaking the code, it's a great way to get started with the semantic search. And you'll find all the code and the links to resource in the video description. Feel free to dive deeper and explore more. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more coding. I'll see you in the next time.